Hey, long time no see. Don't beat me up. But I am back with the unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max in 256 gigabytes in the color Desert Titanium. Y'all, it's been a minute since I've done an unboxing video. I haven't gotten a new phone since 2022 when I was a senior in high school, and now I'm about to be a senior in college. This was my birthday gift to myself because I'm about to turn 21, and honestly, I just feel like your girl been on the grind. Like, I just had to give it to myself because no one else is gonna do it for me. Actually, maybe my parents would have, but regardless, I really wanted to just give myself a gift for like all the hard work I've been putting in over the past 3 years, the hardest past 3 years of my life. So yeah. This is not to flex. I just want to say that disclaimer because sometimes people take content the wrong way. I just share my life. I do unboxing videos, I do hauls, I do vlogs, I do how-to videos. Anything that goes on in my life that's actually not personal. Because I don't actually tell my personal business. But you get what I'm saying. So I don't want people to take this video the wrong way or misinterpret my intentions. I never come on the internet to flex. But people can always misinterpret things, unfortunately. But anyways, this is my old phone right here. This is the iPhone 13 Pro. I forgot what color this was. I love this case down. I need to get another case like this for my 16, but I took real care of this phone where somehow it still wanted to fail on me. Anyone that knows me in real life knows that when you call me and I try to talk on speakerphone or if I have headphones, it sounds like I'm underwater for whatever reason. And I paid insurance for this over the past 2 years, like $600, and every time I go in, Apple says they don't detect anything wrong with the phone, but I call people and it's like trash quality. That was pissing me off. I also had an issue with my 0.5 camera. Anytime I recorded on it, like sometimes it would get a really bad glitch, and again, they would say that there's really nothing they can do about it. That was really frustrating. But other than that, the phone was actually perfectly fine. The buttons all work. The back cameras are totally good. Yeah, and it was super cute. Happy I did that. Also, this also only has 128 gigabytes of space on here. I literally remember getting this phone and thinking in my head, I want a new phone senior year. Like, I want to make sure that I give myself a new phone for senior year of college. So I'm happy I did that. And y'all, when I tell y'all I'm a content curator, I'm a content curator. I make YouTube videos, I make Instagram reels, I make TikToks, I make YouTube shorts, I post on Snapchat, I take pictures for Instagram feed. You know what I'm saying? It's just so much that goes into social media. Like, even just having the apps took up so much space. 128 gigabytes was not cutting it. I don't even think they make like phones in 128 gigabytes anymore because that's not anything. Keep it real. So if you're ever gonna get a new phone, always go for more space. It's definitely an aspect of a phone that's like, be safe than sorry. So yeah, this is my baby right here. We're gonna set her up real soon, but first let me show y'all the accessories that I got for her. So I went to Walmart. I went directly to my service provider to get the phone, but now thinking about it, I should have just went to Walmart. Anyways, so this is the case that I got. I got this clear case because I really like the black aesthetic. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like it just shows the difference in 3 years. Life got serious, okay? Went from this to this, okay? Presents the turmoil. Anyways, this is the 16 Pro Max case, clear. I do want to get a pop socket as soon as possible because you just have to. My life has changed ever since I had one. Then I got this privacy screen protector. When you get a screen protector, it's privacy or nothing. Please promise me that that's the only thing you will get. I'm telling you, people are very nosy when you're out in public. People are looking at your phone more than you may think, okay? Especially like at work sometimes, if you're on the bus, transportation, you're sitting in a crowd. It's just like, stay out of my business. Thank you. So I immediately had to get this. And yeah, so I'm thinking I might use this as my content phone. But the thing is, I want to use my 16 Pro, but I also want to like learn how to separate content from me because yeah, that's just been too intertwined lately. I feel like I've been recording too much and my phone is just so full of stuff. Anyways, this is, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Very careful, very careful. Woo! Look at my baby. Oh, look at my baby. She's so cute. Let me get a frame with just her. Okay. I actually really like the Pro Max size. When I was younger, I thought the Pro Max was too big, but now looking at it, I think it's a reasonable size. Especially for me, because not gonna lie, y'all, my hands are really big. Like, they're actually really big hands. So this is good. Like, let's compare how it looks in hand. Like, which one looks just better? You know what I'm saying? My hand like kind of covers this whole phone, so I'm happy I got the Pro Max. And I've never gotten like the most current, like most recent phone that's out. I usually never do that. I'm always like 2 or 3 generations behind, so it's the first for everything. And here it comes with the cord. In the store I didn't know that it came with one, so I was about to order one. He told me real quick, so I appreciate that. And you know, it's a universal charger because we no longer use, there's no separation between us and Android users. And this is like the mini manual that's inside of it. I got a thumbnail, however, so let me do that. I'm so ATL. I'm so ATL. Yeah, my phone's about to die. I mean, my battery's about to die. So let's turn her on. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I don't trust myself while doing this setup, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on my case now. Because I don't got the time for the games. Cute. Oh, hello, baby. Hello. Put this on immediately. Ooh, that's fire. That is so fire. So cute. This phone is so good. And it's kind of huge, but I like this because, y'all, like, and find my backup. Finished setting up my iPhone. We're doing our Face ID. Get started. Let me record this clip real quick for TikTok. It's time to set up Face ID. Probably the most fun part. Okay. Position your face within the frame. Baby, I'm here. Oh, a little lower. I'm gonna get back to y'all once I finish this Face ID. We got the TikTok video out of the way. So unfortunately my camera died on me, everyone. So thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited to keep creating content with my new phone. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like, and I'm so happy to be back. It's summertime, which means I'm going to be putting out content. Y'all know what that means. Summertime is when we have a time. So if you're new here, get ready, get buckled. Your girl's on the grind. Okay, bye. Hugs and kisses. Have a great day.
Wait a minute. Who are you?